Hey, this is Tyler from SlickText, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use lists to organize your text message program. Lists allow you to organize your contacts into groups of people who share the same characteristics and may regularly receive the same text messages. They're similar to distribution lists that you might use with email. There are multiple ways to add contacts to lists. Let's go through it. We'll start with creating a list in SlickText. When creating a campaign to send a mass text message, you are presented with the option to send the message to one or more lists. First, you'll need to create the list. Click on Audience on the left navigation bar to reveal contacts, lists, and segments. Click on Lists to see all the lists you've created. Click on the blue Create List button at the top right corner of the page. From here, you'll name and add a description for your list. Use a name that will be easy for you to recognize later. I'm going to create this list for visitors to my Nashville storefront, so I'll use the name Nashville Store. The description is only used internally, so we'll put Customers of Nashville Location. I'll hit Save, and I can now add contacts to this list. This is how we can add contacts that I already have in my SlickText account to one or more lists. Navigate to the Contacts page by clicking on Contacts under Audience. The Contact page shows you a list of all your contacts. You can sort or filter your contacts to show which you intend to add or remove. Use the checkboxes to select the ones that you want to add to the list. You can select each one individually, or you can click the box in the header to select all contacts in the view at once. I'll check these 3 contacts, then click the Actions menu at the top. By the way, notice you can remove contacts from lists this way too. I'll click Add to Lists. Now choose the lists that you want to add them to. I'll select Nashville Store and click Add to Lists. As contacts subscribe to your brand using one of SlickText's list growth tools, you can automatically add them to a list. Head over to the Tools section. List growth tools give you plenty of options for allowing people to subscribe to your brand. On the Tools page, you'll see different ways to gain subscribers. We have great Help Center articles for each of these tools that walk you through the setup. In this example, let's edit a keyword I've already created. Each tool you set up will have this section that allows you to define contact behavior. So under Contact Behavior, let's toggle on Add the contact to one or more lists. Choose the list that you want them to be added to, and hit Save. Now, when a contact subscribes using this keyword, they will automatically get added to my Nashville Store list. So that's how you use lists to better organize your audience. Check out our Help Center for more articles and videos, and please never hesitate to reach out to our support team. We love to talk to our customers.